Hello viewers, welcome to our channel TechVideos. In this video we are sharing with you how to fix screen overlay detected problem on any Android phone, so keep watching till the end, and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel, and thumbs up like button. What is screen overlay detected? Screen overlay detected is one of the most annoying errors caused especially on Android Marshmallow version 6.0. You can see my Android version 6.0. Whenever you are installing any new application on your Android device need to grant some permissions such as contact, storage, camera, etc. During granting permissions, if screen overlay of some application is active, then a sudden pop-up with message screen overlay detected. How to fix screen overlay detected problem? First method. First, turn off screen overlay from of all applications. Go to your Android phone settings option. Then click on the apps option. Now click on the settings icon. Click on the draw over other apps option. Turn off draw over other apps from all applications. Now you have successfully disabled screen overlay from all apps. If you want to turn on draw over other apps from Facebook, just click on the Facebook and turn on it. Only turn on very important application. Now check your problem solved or not. If this problem not solved, you can try second method. Second method. Go to Google Play Store. Then search install button Unlocker. In here you can see install button Unlocker application recommended me. So I am clicking on this icon. You can see its rating 4.7. And download 1 million plus. So it's a good application. Now click on the install button. Downloading. Installing. Now click on the open button. Enable the install button Unlocker option. In here click on the install button Unlocker option. Turn on this option. OK. Enable this option. Now back on the application. Click on the permissions option. Turn on the accessibility option and screen overlay option. Now check your problem solved or not. If this problem not solved, let us know in the comment section. I hope you enjoy this simple video. Share this video with your friends want to know how to fix screen overlay detected problem on any Android phone. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel for more Android tutorials videos, and thumbs up like button.